Have you heard? RealCare Baby 4 has arrived and it brings exciting new ways to engage your students. In this video, Nate Sleevey, a longtime Realityworks product support technician who has worked with every version of Baby over the past 3 decades, will walk you through both classic and innovative new features.
I'm Nate Sleevey, product support specialist with Realityworks. I have been working with RealCare Babies for over 25 years and I am very glad to be showing you the new features of the RealCare Baby 4. Picking up the baby from the car seat. Put the bottle to the baby's lips. Give a bounce while the baby feeds. Gently picking up baby, and then for the baby, for the burping, make sure there's a gentle patting between the shoulder blades and give the baby a light movement, and it will make a constant grunting sound to let you know that you are not done. The baby will end with a soft burp. Baby here is wearing a green diaper. Removing the green, applying the yellow diaper. Baby cooed, and the diaper change has been successful. Make sure the baby responds to the beacon, and then gently cradle the baby and make a gentle rocking back and forth or a bounce. Baby will make a constant grunt to let you know that you are not done. It is now in play mode. Make sure it responds to our beacon. Baby is chimed for the beacon. Turn on the rattle. Baby giggles. A new exciting feature of the RealCare Baby 4 is that it uses Bluetooth technology to communicate with the control center. So you no longer need to use an X stick or a communication device to communicate with the babies and the control center. Your babies and control center now use Bluetooth technology so that you can program your babies, retrieve your reports to see how the baby had performed. If they see that the baby is in an awake mode, they can talk with the baby and the baby can interact with them.
The care schedule table is based off of actual infants. In 1999, Realityworks had 15 mothers record everything their child had done in a 24-hour period. We took those diaries and we programmed them into the babies. So these schedules are based off of actual infants.
New feature for the RealCare Baby 4 is the RealCare Baby Student app. Tap that to connect to the baby, and you can see what status the baby is in. Currently, this baby has been running for 10 minutes and it is currently sleeping. So far, the simulation has not requested any care events, as it will report to you how many missed events, how many minutes baby cried in total, any mishandle events, how many care events have been requested, and how many have properly been responded to. And you can also scan for your accessories, where you can check your student ID, make sure that it has been properly configured to your baby and the baby toy. You can always tap at the top here. Shows when the baby was programmed, what time the baby is programmed to stop. You can learn more about the baby statuses by tapping about baby statuses. And you can scroll through to identify the different modes. For example, if it tells you that it's in a care event, while in a care event, the baby will require your action to meet the baby's needs. The app won't tell you exactly what the baby needs. You'll need to figure that out yourself. The baby will also identify if there has been mishandles, if the baby's in the quiet time, and if you're using a babysitter ID to allow someone else to care for the baby.
Thanks for watching! To explore how RealCare Baby 4 could enrich your program or to request a personalized quote, our team is ready to help. Visit our website or call 800-830-1416 today to discuss how we can support your unique classroom needs.